If you play a lot of games on your system, I'm sure you must have come across several kinds of errors when you launch the game after the installation process is done. I've seen them a lot for years since I used to have a potato PC back in those days, and hence I'm a lot familiar with them since there always used to be an error whenever I tried to install a game. So in this video, I'll be showing you a few steps that you should perform before installing your next game to make sure that you don't face any of those errors. So make sure to watch this video till the end and also hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this. So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Techster 1504. My name is Utsav, and without wasting any further time, let's get right into our video. While playing games for all those years, I've noticed one thing common in almost every error that popped right at my face when I tried to launch the game that I just installed. And that common thing is that most of those errors stated that some kind of file is missing from your system, or it couldn't find a specific file. Now the name of the missing file could be anything, but the point is that it's missing. So I'll be guiding you with a few steps that one after the other you need to follow so as to make sure that the error has nothing to do with the software and the fault is in your hardware, which comes to the point that only try to run a game in your system after checking its minimum system requirements from websites like gamesystemrequirements.com to make sure that your device is powerful enough to handle those games. Now let's start with the video. Now the first thing that you need to do before even installing a game is to disable your antivirus. Now this is a very important step since the files could be seen as a threat even if they are not. So the antivirus detects them as threat and deletes them, giving you the error. But make sure that the setup that you have downloaded is from a reputed website so as to make sure that it does not carry any viruses or malwares. So in order to disable your antivirus before launching the setup, you need to go to the Windows Defender settings. For that, click on the arrow over here at the taskbar and then click on this Defender logo. And from here you can disable the Windows Defender antivirus or any other antivirus that you have installed. Now make sure to re-enable them once the installation process for the game is complete. The next thing that we need to do is download the files which most of the games nowadays require, and if they are missing, they give you the error. For that, head to this link. By the way, all the required links are in the description box below, so no need to worry about that. The first thing that you need to download is Visual C++ Redistributable Package. You can click the download button over here to start your download. Do the same for the other two links which are going to download DirectX 9 and DirectX 11 for your system. Now once you have downloaded all the required files, head to the directory where they are stored. I have already downloaded those files and placed them in the desktop. So the first thing that you need to do is extract and then install the DirectX 9 and 11 onto your system. The installation process is very simple, and if you play games, I'm sure you can do it without any problems. So the next thing is that you need to extract the Visual C++ Redistributable Package folder, and then once extracted, install all of these setups from 2005 to 2013 one after the other, because all these errors that you've been getting about a missing file are going to get solved once you install all of these files. So without hesitating, go ahead and install them one by one. The last thing that you need to do is update your graphic card drivers, since the new updates for the graphic cards are released such that they are more optimized in order to handle the latest games. For updating your graphic cards, you can head on to Google and then type driver update with the name of your graphic card, and you'll find it within a few minutes. So just download the files and then install it. That's it, you're done. From now on, if you download a game and try to run it, it should run without any errors if your system is powerful enough to handle it. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer them. So this was it for today guys. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also hit the notification bell so as to get notified for all my latest videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.